Hey, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we purchased last week. We're in Orleans Parish in Treme. We actually bought it last week. There's a bit of a hiccup at closing. Unfortunately, the seller son was still living here and he was meant to be out at closing and he wasn't out. So it was a bit of a hassle. We do often buy houses and people stay, but normally when we know up front, we do a post-purchase occupancy agreement and we know about it and plan for it. In this case, we didn't plan for it, so it was a little bit annoying, but that's okay too. We did work through it and we worked with him, and now he's got a new place and he's out. So we just got the key, we just got possession now. So you know, we're happy to take care of it. Unfortunately, they were getting foreclosed on, so they're about to lose the property. It was in really rough shape, which I'll show you, so it was very tough to sell for them. So we were able to buy it cash as is and make it work. You know, you can check it out. Got to be careful where I stand, the floorboards are up. I won't even really walk in there. You'll see there's a table to like what they were walking on to get through the floorboards. There's some mold up in here. So yeah, super rough condition. You know, got a window open, etc. So I really won't show you all the house because it's not that safe to walk on without being careful about it. So I might leave it there. But if you've got a house you're looking to sell, reach out to us, homebuyerlouisiana.com, and check out our website. We're always happy to give you an offer, whether, you know, we're not forceful, we'll give you an option. If it's good for you, awesome, we'd love to close. If not, we're totally fine with that too. We'll give you advice and, you know, hopefully you can find a good solution. But thanks so much guys, cheers, bye.